We are just gathering up the rest of the people outside. Come in, find yourself a seat.
Today we host an event about innovation, and we have a very strong lineup of people from the client side, but also from Ipsos side, representing UK and Ipsos in Denmark.
Innovation is very important to our business because we know that the beer consumer that brought us here today and used our products and enjoyed our products is not necessarily the consumer that's going to take our company forward tomorrow. It's very interesting to hear from different companies, and personally it changed a bit of my view on how we view innovation and how we need to talk about innovation and the innovation process internally in our organization.
Today I presented Novozymes One Health. It's a new entity in Novozymes with the mission of impacting consumer health by thinking differently. So what I took away from the event today was some interesting talks about how to get the job done. That was also the primary focus of my talk today, as well as some insights on how other businesses are doing innovation, earlier on innovation, and how they incorporate consumer insights into their innovation process.
My name is Diana Ruano, and I work for UNHCR, which is the United Nations Refugee Agency. You know, the theory brought to practice, the job to be done, but these are words that really resonate, but then how do we actually apply this? And kind of stepping back from our sector, I think it's really helpful actually to look at the private sector. We need to bridge that gap much more. So I think that's the beauty of these events. And then obviously the expertise from Ipsos when they're talking about their clients is super helpful to us.
We do these events because we want to inspire and maybe even provoke our clients, and also take the opportunity for the clients to network across different industries. Because we also want to play a role in connecting the clients and have them share best practice and good ideas with each other.